The Toyota Yaris key fob uses a simple split case design for battery replacement. First, locate the release tab, a small button or lever, usually at the base of the fob. Press this tab to disengage the internal latch. Then gently slide or pry the case apart. Avoid using metal tools to prevent damage from static discharge. This process allows access to the battery compartment without needing any specialized tools. Remember, forcing the case open without using the release tab is a common error and can damage the hinges. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Use a non-conductive tool, like a plastic pry bar, to carefully remove the old battery. Make sure to align the positive side of the new battery correctly when inserting it. Incorrect alignment can short-circuit the circuit board. After inserting the new battery, snap the case back together until it's securely closed. Toyota's firmware updates now allow for better diagnostics of key fob battery health, alerting drivers via the vehicle's infotainment system when replacement is needed.